Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel, Kids 2021. Today we learn vowel sound. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Vowel sound classified to short vowel sound, long vowel sound. Every vowel make two sounds. A for egg, A for apple. E for heel, E for egg. I for ice, I for igloo. O for old, O for off. U for use, U for uncle. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe.